In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Walmart checkout, loading, and delivery errors. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection because slow or unstable internet is one of the most common causes of loading and checkout errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. Next, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then disable it. This will refresh your network connection. After that, reopen Walmart and try again. Now, if the Walmart app is still not loading properly, clear the cache. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the app Walmart. Then click on Offload app and confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the Walmart app. Then navigate to the option App Info, click on Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next thing you can do is check for app update. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Walmart. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated versions can cause checkout and delivery problems. If your checkout keeps failing, double-check your payment method and delivery address. Make sure your card details, billing address, and shipping information are entered correctly and that your payment method has enough balance or has not expired. Sometimes, removing the payment method and adding it again can fix the issue instantly. For a delivery error specifically, check if Walmart delivery is available in your area and make sure the items in your cart are eligible for delivery. Some products may also support pickup or shipping in certain locations. Finally, if nothing works, the issue may be coming from Walmart servers, especially during busy hours or major scales. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later, and that's it. That's exactly how you can fix Walmart checkout loading and delivery errors quickly and easily. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.